Hi guys, welcome to ContainsAll. Today I'm going to show you the GoPro Media Mod unboxing and review. So this media mode is weather resistant. It has directional mic, 3.5 mm mic port, HDMI port and USB Type-C port for charging. So let us go and open it up. This media mod comes with limited lifetime warranty. Here we have the limited lifetime warranty card and the manual how to operate this. With the media mode, we'll also get some extra mounts. This is the windshield to cut the extra noise while recording the videos. And here we have our media mod. Here you can see some shoe mounts to attach light and mic. Also you can see the actual mic. We need to remove the clip from the GoPro to mount the media mod. We can see the USB Type-C connector where the GoPro USB Type-C female connector goes in. And then we just need to lock it. Once you mount the media mod, the GoPro turns little bit heavy as it has mic which is little bit heavy. Now I'm adding the windshield on top of it. Once we connect the media mod and turn on the GoPro, we'll get a notification like media mod is connected. If we go to the settings and preferences, there we'll be able to see under the mods we can see media mod, standard mic, and there are different types of options which you can choose. Now I'm going to mount the Ulanzi light on top of the GoPro media mod. It seems like this light is perfect combination for the media mod to record videos during the night time, or if you need extra focus on the subject you are recording. So here you can see 3 ports. First let me remove this windshield. 3 ports over here. So the first one is the mini HDMI port where you can connect the HDMI cable and redirect your display output, and the second one is the USB Type-C port, and the third one is 3.5mm audio jack. The USB Type-C port can be used for the charging the GoPro. And now let me connect this Rode video mic Go on side of my media mod. So let me connect this, and this one I connected to check the setup, okay, which you will see later in this video. Now let us go and check the comparisons with the 3 mics. So this is how it is recording with the normal internal mic. I hope you can find the difference. Okay, we'll see in the video. So hi guys, so now we are recording with the media mod mic along with the windshield. So and the windshield is there, and I can see there is a lot of wind over here. So we'll see how the mic quality is. Now I am removing the windshield now in the live. So I just removed the windshield. So we'll see how the noise is, and there is a lot of background noise over here because I'm standing outside currently. So there is a lot of noise over here. As you can see, there is also a lot of wind. So we'll see. Now we are getting a lot of wind. So I'll put the windshield now and we'll see how much it will get reduced. So I just inserted the windshield. So we'll see how we'll observe how it is. Okay, so this is how it sounds with the media mod mic. So that's it guys. Hope we can get the good mic, better quality on the mic. We'll see. Added the light on top of it. Let me just turn it on. I don't think that will add much difference because there is daylight is there. So as you can see, I just turned on the light. So we can use the light like this also. So I'll do one thing. I'll just go inside to in my room so that you can see how much light it. So now I'm going inside. So as you can see, there's a lot of this thing. So this is how my setup is right now. As you can see, I'll just turn it off the light, turn on the light. So the setup is like this right now. See, media mode setup and everything. So I'll just turn the light on again. So this is how it is currently. Currently I'm standing in the house. So I turned off the light. So I'll just turn the light on again. Okay. So hope this helps. This will be a good review on the media mode, and I'm using the light also, so you can find the difference. So guys, now I'm recording the video with Rode external mic, Rode Video Mic Go. So we'll see how the sound clarity is. Okay, so I think there will be some difference that where we can find out. So let us go and check in the video itself. Okay, I hope you guys can find the difference with all the three mics: internal mic, media mode mic, and the external mic. Okay, hope this helps. So hi guys, just now I listened to all the three clips with internal mic, with external mic, with media mode. So I can say the media mode is good, and also the external mic which we connected the Rode video mic, that is also good. So I definitely recommend the video mode to take it for the extra mounts and everything. So hope this helps. So if you do like the video, please do hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye. That's it for today guys. Hope you like the video. Please do hit like, share and subscribe button. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.